Wealth ain't paper, wealth ain't speed. It's a vibe I go from thought to see. Oh. I used to chase, I used to grind, but wealth begins inside the mind. It's not the bank, not just the gold. It's how I feel, how I hold. So now I think like it's already mine. Align my thoughts, align my time. Think rich, feel rich, be rich now. Walk with worth, don't ask how. Money flows to those aligned with joy, with peace, with calm in mind. No more lack, no more glitch. I flip the script, I think rich. I bless the wealth that others claim. No envy here, we play the same. If they can rise, then so can I. It starts in how I visualize. It's not a grind, it's not a fight. It's choosing wealth and thought each night. Think rich, feel rich, be rich, clear. I tune my vibe, the path appears. Abundance lives in how I speak, in thoughts I plant, in faith I keep. No more fear, no what if pitch, just gratitude. I think rich. I am enough, I hold the key. The richest life is born from me. I dress in wealth, I speak in glow. The more I give, the more will flow. Think rich, feel rich, be rich, bright. I move in peace.